What's going down, everybody? You know who this is, man. It's your boy Big Drewski, and today we've got another earbud review from TOZO. Shout out to TOZO for sending out these products today. We got the TOZO Crystal Pods in hand. We're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of these Crystal Pods, and then we're going to do some experimentation, see what we can get into, and see how durable these things are, how good the active noise cancellation is, because that's one thing that TOZO is good about, is having the active noise cancellation on their earbuds. I am excited to try these out, so you guys stick with me. Let's get these unboxed, see where this goes. What's going down, y'all? So I've got them on the charger. These are the TOZO Crystal Pods. I got the case on the charger. They came fully charged when I connected them to the TOZO app, and as you can see, the fit in on my ear, I actually like the fit. They sound amazing, and the dope thing about these is that the active noise canceling is actually already a part of the setup, so you don't have to go into the app and you know, you don't have the different modes of noise canceling like you do on the TOZO NC9s, the 2024 NC9s, but you do have active noise canceling already set up. All you have to do is do a long press on your headphone. You'll hear a tone, and all of a sudden you'll hear everything that is around you, and it is amazing how much the noise canceling clicks in on these headphones. So you guys, if you are in the market for a great set of earbuds that have active noise canceling and they won't break the bank, TOZO Crystal Pods. They sound amazing. You can customize the EQ on these things through the TOZO app after you connect it to your phone through the Bluetooth, and then go to the app and get these connected. After that, it's a wrap. You guys got customizable EQs. You can save your own EQs, and you can even download other TOZO users' EQ presets and try them out on your headphones. So once again, go to the link that I'm going to supply in this video. It's down in the bottom in the description. You're going to see these headphones, the TOZO Crystal Pods. Get these. Get these.